For this final video of the 4-part series of Ain Wildlife Park, when we enter the bird exhibit, we are greeted by the green budgerigar, native to Australia. All wild budgies are green. I am not able to identify these rather lovely birds. They seem to have a lovely greeny, smoky sheen to their feathers, and they have a crest. I think this might be a bushstone curlew endemic to Australia, formerly known as the bush thick-knee. It looks like a wader and is related to the oyster catchers, avocets and plovers, but it is a dry land predator. I think this is a crested lark, as it has a long spiky erectile crest and is smaller and greyer than the skylark. I don't seem to be able to identify this bird, but thought it could be either a quail or a partridge, perhaps. Easy to identify the Humboldt penguin, named after the cold current of water running from the Antarctic to the equator along the west coast of South America, so named after the German naturalist Frederick Humboldt. It is also known as the Peruvian penguin. They are found along the coasts of Peru and Chile, within the reaches of the Humboldt Current. Unfortunately, over-harvesting of fish stocks poses a threat to the penguins. This is an Eurasian eagle owl, sometimes called the European eagle owl, and is one of the largest species of owls. This one is just having a walk around the park before being one of the star attractions at the evening bird show coming up next. They are largely nocturnal, like most owls, and they mainly feed on small mammals.
Eagle owl is adapted to the climate right here in the UAE, and you got a white puff below the neck. Now watch this, I'm going to show you. See that right below the neck, white puff. I have got with me a mic here. Shamima, hello? Hello? How are you? How are you, Shamima? You know that person over there? Shamima? Very good. One last time, come on! Very good. Now that's what these birds, watch what happens. Ready? Owls depend a lot on hearing to catch their prey. Having a face like this helps a lot. Ready? Go, Barney! Looking there, and off he goes.
The long-legged buzzard is an attractive, wide-ranging raptor from southeast Europe through Turkey and the Middle East to China, and is found in dry open plains. It feeds mostly on small rodents, but will take lizards and small birds and large insects.
Chakra. Okay. No. Right, go. Okay, good. Don't forget your glasses on the neck. Right up there, nice fly. Okay, Chakra, you stand right over there. Okay, you can't miss him. That's Haji.
The basket held a royal ball python, and an Indian python was very comfortable in the tree. In the wild, a long-legged buzzard would also take snakes.
Now, take a look at our Indian python. He is so comfortable. Just gonna take him up the tree. Easy there. Now watch what happens to this snake. Now, the snake is not real, okay? Don't call the police. But Ain Wildlife Park and Resort, we don't use live praise in our show. You go right there. That's right. Give me back my snake. Come on. That's right. No? Alright, alright.
The Egyptian vulture is also called the white scavenger vulture or Pharaoh's chicken, and is widely distributed from southwestern Europe and North Africa to India.
Just pick up the stone, throw it on the egg. There you go. Now an egg like this, it'll take about half an hour to break. But we don't have half an hour. Very hard working this evening.
In the wild, these vultures make use of tools such as pebbles to break the eggs, and twigs to roll up wool for their nest. It mainly feeds on carrion but is opportunistic and will prey on small mammals, birds and reptiles, as well as eggs of other birds. Healthy adults do not have many predators but are threatened through collisions with power lines, hunting and intentional poisoning. After a few drops she managed to break and enjoy the egg.
And the egg is broken, look at that! Egg, not hand! Anybody hungry? Anybody hungry? No. Hungry, okay?
The golden eagle is one of the best known birds of prey in the Northern Hemisphere. It's present in Eurasia, North America and Africa, and is the largest eagle found in the Middle East. Golden eagles are capable of snatching up prey as big as mountain goats and young deer, but will also eat carrion if prey is scarce, and even birds as large as swans and cranes have apparently been taken as prey. Golden eagles are monogamous and build huge nests which they may return to for several years to breed.
Okay, our camera's ready. We're going to show you the wingspan of the largest eagle found here in the Middle East. Right, Baka, let's show them the wings. Wow, look at that. 6 feet from wingtip to wingtip. These eagles are so powerful, they are known to hunt prey as big as gazelles. Now, with that, we've come to the end of our show, but don't leave yet. Come down, take pictures, ask questions, have a good look at our birds and mammals. They'll be here for a short while. You have been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to view our still photos, please visit our website. Canvas prints, cards and magnets of these pictures and more can be purchased on our website. http://jrphotography.webplus.net